entry ticket to Kuang Sea Waterfall is around $1. It includes this 7 minutes electronic ride from the parking lot to the entrance of the park. The tuk-tuk drops you off here, in this market and local restaurants area. The wet monsoon season in Laos falls from May to October. This video was made in August, so you get to see how the waterfall looks like during the rainy season. Inside the park there is a bear sanctuary since 2003. Free the Bears Association operates in Laos, Vietnam and Cambodia. They have rescued over 950 bears from poachers, exotic pet owners, or people planning to use them in traditional medicine. You can see this bear walking back and forth on that deck because it's familiar. He used to be kept in a small cage and bears never seem to forget. There's a bear sitting in a hammock. They are napping. So cute! Leaving the bears to enjoy their afternoon. Now we are making our way to the waterfall. This is the first encounter with the waterfall, the lower pools. As you can see, the water is not at all the turquoise color you saw in the pictures online. This is because of the heavy rain in the past days. And you can even expect some flooded areas. Despite the brown color, the area is still gorgeous. This building is a restaurant with local dishes and decent prices. You can pause the video if you want to read the menu. At the moment of the video, 25,000 kip valued $1. Right next to the restaurant is the big waterfall drop. This is the 60 meters drop waterfall. It is considered the most beautiful waterfall in Laos, and one of the best in Asia. Bring snacks for a picnic if you want to enjoy lunch next to the water. If you want to see the water turquoise, make sure to plan your visit, starting with October and until June. Time to take the tuk-tuk back to the parking lot and end your visit. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your time in Laos.